Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. स्वागत है आप सभी का and as you can see we are at the IBW 2024 and exclusively on KTM stall. So this is your 2025 KTM Adventure 390 which now comes with the LED headlight, new visor. The bike is completely new except the chassis. This chassis is existing in the old previous generation model and the rest of the bike looks completely new. So starting from the front, now you get the LED DRLs with projector headlight exclusively open. Scalpel look के लिए इसे ऐसा रखा गया है and you can see the clear visor here which has got the new shape and it is now taller. और ये जो आप इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्लस्टर देख सकते हैं which now comes with the type C charger just over here and ये एक रैली लुक इस मोटरसाइकिल को दे रहा है। टायर्स इसके साथ आ रहे हैं ट्रैम्पलर एक्सआर विद ट्यूबलेस व्हील विदाउट अ क्रॉस स्पोक 21 इंच में। सस्पेंशन जो है ये WB एपेक्स की तरफ से आ रहे हैं जो फुली एडजस्टेबल है। यू कैन adjust the suspensions from here, compression and rebound. And the cockpit view of this motorcycle gives you the exclusive look of the rally motorcycle. Mirrors here are different from the older generation of the Adventure 390. Brake lever and clutch levers are adjustable. You can adjust them from here only. On the other side, you can see this the new Adventure 390 now comes with the cruise control. You can plus or minus from here. You can set it here. This is your hazard button and different kind of switches to toggle this display. Your key goes in here. Your fuel tank is here. This fuel tanks now comes in metal. This is a new fuel tank which is in metal. The seat height of this motorcycle is 835 mm, so you can easily access this motorcycle. New KTM Adventure 390 which now comes with the single cylinder 393cc producing 46 bhp and 39 newton meters of torque. This is the LC 4C engine. Here you get the foot pegs which is removable from there. Here the aluminium brake lever and the only motorcycle which comes with the sliders as a factory fitted equipment and this engine is already available in the Duke 390. The exhaust जो है इस मोटरसाइकिल का वो अभी यहाँ से हटकर अंडर बेली हो गया है और स्विंग आर्म जो इस मोटरसाइकिल का ये कम्प्लीटली न्यू है। उसी के साथ साथ रियर सस्पेंशन जो है ये स्क्रू ड्राइवर से आप इसे एडजस्ट कर सकते हो विच इज़ वेरी कन्वीनियंट फॉर द राइडर गोइंग ऑफ रोड और हाईवेज। और ये थोड़ा सा ऑफसेट है, इसका जो सेटिंग है थोड़ा सा ऑफसेट है तो काफ़ी बेहतरीन होने वाला है आप लोगों के लिए। फ्रंट में आपको ब्रेक्स आ रहे हैं वाइबर की तरफ से विच इज़ 320 mm डिस्क ब्रेक and the design of this motorcycle is exclusively carried away from the rally motorcycle Dakar motorcycles. At the rear, you get the 130/80 R17 H-rated tire, 65H Trampler XRs are tail light and indicators are LED. There is a change in the grab rails and the bench seat. Do you now you don't get the split seat, you get the bench seat. So on the left now you get the 47-inch sprocket with a chain slider. And as usual, this is an adventure motorcycle and KTM never gives you the center stand. The motorcycle center stand के साथ आपको नहीं मिलेगा. So this is the color option which comes. Fairing is in white, back is in orange. Your coolant radiator is right there. This motorcycle now has the new crash guard. And if you are a bike lover who likes the huge bikes, let me tell you, this bike is very sleek and not for the huge bike lovers. There is a new bash plate design in this motorcycle which covers the exhaust. So the new Adventure 390 now comes with the different shape of the handguards which is completely plastic inside out but looks fabulous, very edgy, very sharp. So at the front you don't get the full mudguard, you get this half mudguard just to protect your radiator from the slush, muds and stones. You get the high raised mudguard just like enduro off-road style motorcycle. The technical details are not out yet for this motorcycle, that will be out very soon for on a media drive. But my guess is 320 mm disc brake at the front from Viber and 270 mm at the rear and the ground clearance could be 190ish. फ्रंट का सस्पेंशन ट्रैवल इसका 180 to 200 mm हो सकता है और पीछे का सस्पेंशन ट्रैवल इसका 180 के अराउंड हो सकता है। थैंक यू।